Well, my dear students, in the previous session, we discussed more information about drafting of sales letters and opening of the new branch and shifting of businesses. So, in this session, we will discuss more information about drafting of sales letters and introducing new product and services. Here, you are liable to knowing first. You are liable to know more information about the sales status. But in the previous session also, we discussed more information. Here, according to that, a sales letter is a piece of direct mail which is designed to persuade the reader to purchase a particular product or services in the absence of salesman. Then the definition is, it has been defined as a form of direct mail in which an advertiser sends a letter to potential customer. It is the definitions of the sales letters. Then the main features of the sales letters are, firstly, it is used to introduce products or services to consumers. Secondly, it uses a formal letter structures. Then it is impersonal because they are sent to more than one person. Lastly, it is a form of advertising. These are all the features of the sales letters. Then the main advantages of the sales letters are, firstly, a sales letter is less expensive. By comparing with other medias, it is the less expensive process. Secondly, it reaches a client where the salesman cannot. It is another benefit in the sales letters. Then thirdly, it reaches a number of clients all at the same time. It is another benefit. Next, it is easy of understanding and availability of full details by comparing with other medias. Lastly, it is more convenient, efficient and comprehensive. Then letter for introducing the product for sale. When a corporation tries to introduce the new product in the market, it becomes essential for the company to get in contact with their current and prospective vendors and customers and talk about the newly launched product. By doing so, the company personnel makes its shoppers aware of the product range and manages to create a niche for the latest products launched. Then in the sales letter, for introducing the product for sale, it is significant to state the description of the newly launched product and also cite ambiguously how it is beneficiary it is over other such products. Then see that the tips for writing the sales letters introducing a product for sale. Here the main tips are, the first one is, it is a formal tone. A formal tone is crucial in every sales letter for presenting a product of sale. Secondly, it is essential information about the product should be mentioned in the letters. It means the essential information about the product should be mentioned in the letter. Next, it should create good impression of the product. Then another tip is, it should provide reliable and crisp knowledge about the products. And then finally, it should be simple language and should not be complicated and hard to understand. These are all the main tips. Then letter for introducing the new product. It is the format. According to this format, generally this letters contains all the parts of the letters. Here we write in the style of full block style. According to that, here all the parts of the letters is written in left side margins. Here the first we write the from address, and it is essential for knowing who is the writer of these letters, and it is generally write at least in 3 lines. Thereafter completion of the head address, we write the date after giving double line spacing. It contains the full date, that is the date, month and the year. After completion of the date, we write the inside address. Here also it is written at least in 3 lines, and it is essential for knowing to whom the letter is to be written and to write a reply letter it is more essential. Then salutation, we write a salutation. Here it may be dear sir or dear madam, like that words are followed. After completion of the salutation, we write the subject. It is written at least in one line, that means whole body of the letter is summarized into one lines, because the business people are more busy to read the letters, they are not interested to more. So it is written in very brief. The letter for introducing product for sale, it is the subject. Thereafter we write the body of the letters. Here according to in the first paragraph we write that it is with great pride and immense pleasure we introduce our latest product. Here we mention the product name in the dash group lineup to you, which will revolutionize the industry. It is indeed one of the best products we have ever launched products. It is also currently the best in its price band available in the market today. Our claims are not biased by the self-judgment, but rather on clients and vendors we have tested out the product. The first product, it is the introductory part. In the second paragraph you write that we improve you to try to our new product lineup in our centers and assure you that you would be awestruck with the result it will produce. Our sales executive would get in touch with you to tell you in details about our product and its new features. In the last paragraph, write that we are in anticipation of your visit to our store to check out the new product. In this line, generally we write the body of letters at least in 3 paragraphs. That is the introductory point, main points, and the complementary closing points. Thereafter, we write the complementary clause. We write the "you sincerely, you truly, you obediently," etc. mentions are used. Then we write the writer's name and the company name. In this format, generally we write the sales letters. Then last we see the sample letters. So it is one of the sample letters. Here, according that this example, first we write the address. That is the from address. That is the Natural Beauty Products, Orange Country, California. It is the head address. It is the first parts of the letters. It is in full black. It is written in full black style. So all the parts of letters are written with left side margin. After completion of the address, we write the date after giving double line spacing. Here the present date is 14th April 2007 according to this sample. After completion of the date, we write the inside address. Here the inside address is Rosie Smith, General Manager, RFT Beauty Care Clinic, California. It is the inside address. Then we write the salutation like dear sir, dear madam, etc. words are followed. Then we write the subject. Here the subject is letter for introducing the product for sale. Letter for introducing a product for, like that, the whole body of letter is summarized into one sentence. Then according to the body of letter, the first paragraph, we write that we at Natural Beauty Products are proud to introduce our latest products in our fairness and beauty lotions lineup. We can guarantee that we never compromised our quality standards, and it is one of the best in the market at present. This product also has made it grabs on the overseas market and getting excellent feedback. It is the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, we write that we have launched our products at a very reasonable price so that every client can enjoy its features. Our new merchandise is gathering quite positive feedback from the customers, and many of our vendors are fully satisfied with it. We would be glad if you could visit our centers and test the new product yourself. That is the main contents. In the last paragraph, we write that we are in anticipation of your visit. Like that, we write the 3 paragraph. Then we write the complimentary clause. That is yours sincerely, your truly, etc. Then we write the writer's name, that is Christian, and the company name, that is Natural Beauty Products. Okay, thank you.